द वर्ल्ड CIO 200 समिट सऊदी अरेबिया एडिशन, जो 10th एडिशन था, 10th इवेंट था सऊदी अरब में। और ये बहुत ज़बरदस्त प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर स्पेशलिस्ट को, CIO को, CISO को, CRO को रिकगनाइज़ करते हैं। और हमारे पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी में बहुत से काबिल लोग हैं, उनको इस तरह इवेंट अटेंड करने चाहिए। इसमें पैनल डिस्कशन में हिस्सा लेना चाहिए। मैं मॉडरेटर भी था और ये रिकग्निशन बहुत ज़बरदस्त मिलती है आपको, आपके स्किल्स की, आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हवाले से कि आप क्या करते हैं और कम्युनिटी कैसे वैल्यू ऐड कर सकती है यहाँ की जॉब मार्केट में, यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में। तो बी पार्ट ऑफ इट इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल, वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट।
My name is Ronak Samantrai, co-founder and CEO of DC Media Group and the Global CIO Forum. Today we are in Riyadh in Saudi, where we are celebrating the 10th edition of the CIO 200 Roadshow. This roadshow is taking place this year in 53 countries, and after completing all the roadshows, we will be taking the grand finale to Egypt this year, which will be in Cairo and Alexandria. The main purpose of this event is to bring the best of the best minds in the IT industry, especially the CIOs and the CISOs as well, to bring them under one platform where they can exchange ideas, do business, but the most important thing is the knowledge transfer can happen across the borders. So Saudi is a big market for us as well. Looking at the 2030 vision, we are implementing and we are doing a lot of different activities, different campaigns in this region to make sure we are aligning with the vision of the government and take the vision forward.
Today we are meeting and we are celebrating the first decade of CIO 200 Roadshow that moves over 52 countries. The Saudi edition came 100% aligned with the Vision 2030 and it goes with the pillars and the objectives that we are trying to achieve within the vision. As we know, the CIO role is changing and things are emerging technology, AI, cloud and everything. All those initiatives was there in the heart of the Saudi Vision 2030. Once you have an event like this to gather people together, to have this hub to be able to share their knowledge, to share their success, to show their achievement, is the thing that we are looking for in this event. Really, we appreciate all and everyone who was behind an event like this, and we are looking forward to be together with all those CIOs, CTOs, CISOs also was there, money negotiations was here. We are not in this event selling or buying anything. It's about communicating, our communication, and also about sharing the knowledge, sharing the success story, you seeing the use cases and learning from each other. Thank you.